Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we will learn about 25 exciting facts about early humans. This will be very exciting. Come on, let's start. Please watch this video till end to know more. Some of our earliest ancestors were about 4 feet tall or the height of a small chimpanzee when standing up. In 1859, Charles Darwin published his theory of evolution, in which he says humans evolved from apes. Many people thought he was crazy. Early artists painted cave walls with figures of the animals they haunted. They used minerals and either water or they spit to make the paints. Modern humans lived in Africa 1 lakh years ago. They then migrated to every continent except Antarctica. In prehistoric times, people ate dandelion greens in their salads. We still eat them today. A 1.6 million years old fossil of a preteen aged boy discovered in Kenya in 1984 and known as Turkana boy has a skeleton shaped much like ours. Our ancestors made tools such as stone axe. Today some chimpanzees make spades to hunt other animals for food. Scientists think that we can communicate emotion with our eyes more effectively than other primates because of the large whites. We have short hair on our bodies instead of fur to help keep our bodies and brains cool. Humans and Neanderthal once lived side by side, but Neanderthals are now extinct. Scientists study changes in the shape of our ancestors' jaws and teeth to learn about the human family tree. An ancient necklace from Burma was made of more than 100 hornet bodies. When an adult and a child walked across wet volcanic ash some 3.6 million years ago, their path was covered with more ash and then turned into about 70 fossil footprints. Neanderthals lived a tough life. The fossils show injuries similar to those of rodeo riders of today. Some raw foods are poisonous. When early humans started to cook their food, they discovered it unlocked additional nutrition and made some of those foods safe to eat. Early humans would sometimes carve designs into animal antlers. One piece of carved antler seems to show a lunar calendar, suggesting a way early humans kept tracking of time. Humans began making pottery some 18,000 years ago in Japan. Early humans shared some features with today's apes. Both can walk on 2 feet, but humans went on to develop larger brains. Our ancestors began using fire hundreds of thousands of years ago. Once they discovered that rubbing 2 sticks together created a spark, they could stay warm and cook their food. Lucy, a famous fossil of an Australopithecus afarensis female, was named after the Beatles song Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds. When you are cold, you might get goosebumps, but our ancestors had longer body hair that would stand up to create a warm blanket on their skin. Early humans used needles made of bones to sew warm clothes from animal skin and fur. Early humans used harpoon-like points made of antler to spear their prey. The Bushmen of Africa's Kalahari Desert still hunt and eat the way their ancestors did. Some of our ancestors traveled the oceans in rafts or boats and discovered new lands. Australia was first settled some 60,000 years ago.